Hi guys, Mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome, hello, hi. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. For today's video, since Coachella is gonna be this weekend, I thought I'd do another Coachella makeup look. If you are interested in seeing how I created this look, please keep on watching. Alrighty guys, we're gonna be starting off with our primer. I'm using the Soft Ochre by MAC, as always. Now it's gonna be hot over there, so you wanna make sure you are using a primer. The eyeshadow palette that we're gonna be using to create this look is this Venus palette number 2 from Lime Crime. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here and apply it on my crease. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit near the brow bone. Guys, if you are hearing noises, it's because it's already 5:30 in the morning here. So people are already awake and getting ready for work. You probably hear cars passing by. I'm also bringing that eyeshadow on the inner corners of my brow. Next eyeshadow that we're gonna be using is this orangey shade right here in the shade Jam. And I'm just using the same brush. Do you guys like that I'm this close? I feel like I'm like super close to you guys. And if you guys going to Coachella this weekend, or I think it starts today. Not me, because prom season is this week. So I'm gonna be doing makeup. I'm gonna be working while a lot of you are at Coachella. So I'm just basically blending the eyeshadows together. But I'm not bringing it up all the way to the brow bone. I'm moving to a different palette. I'm using the James Charles times Morphe palette. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. I'm gonna be focusing that color just on my outer V and maybe just bringing it in a little bit on the inner corners as well. A little tip for you guys, if you want a softer look, just hold your brush at the very tip and just blend the eyeshadows together, because if you have it this close, it's gonna give you a harsh line. Now that I'm happy with that, I'm gonna be cutting my crease using the Milk Jumbo Pencil by NYX. I'm taking a flat brush to blend everything out. Let's add a little bit of shimmer. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here and apply it on top. I'm gonna be adding a tiny bit of black on the outer corners. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of that brown shade again because I feel like it got covered by the black eyeshadow. You can definitely stop if you are happy with this eyeshadow already, but since it's Coachella, it's gonna be extra. We're gonna add some glitter. I'm taking the Stila in the shade Kitten Karma. I actually thought that's gonna give a little bit of color, but it just added some glitter. So I'm gonna be taking this purple shade and just apply it on the middle. Just a tiny bit. I'm kind of leaving a space between the white and the purple eyeshadow. That way it looks a little bit bright on there. Going to take that glitter eyeshadow again and just pop it on the middle. Now moving on to eyeliner. I mentioned this in my last Coachella video. You want to make sure you are using a waterproof mascara and eyeliner. So if you don't have it, girl, might as well not go to that Coachella party because your makeup is not gonna last. For this video, I'm gonna be using the Inglot number 77 gel liner. You can also use the Kat Von D, or heck, just don't wear eyeliner at all. I'm gonna make my slant first and just drag it in. Now I'm not making my wing too dramatic because I'm gonna be adding a heavy eyeshadow on my lower lash later on. For lashes, I'm gonna be using my favorite Lily lashes in the style Opulence. Now, the weather here in California is very unpredictable, so it could be windy in there. So you wanna make sure you are protecting your lashes. So bring some extra lashes or duo because you don't want your lashes to be going. I'm gonna be adding some brow bone highlight. I'm taking this Becca Champagne Pop. Look how cute this is. It's so tiny. I broke my big one. It's so sad. I'm just gonna apply this on my brow bone. With a blending brush, I'm just gonna blend everything together. I'm using Clinique's Beyond Perfecting Foundation for my face today. I'm just gonna be applying a small amount of this because it's gonna be hot in there, so you don't wanna cake up your makeup. Oh, you don't wanna cake up your makeup with a damp beauty blender. For my concealer today, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I did a video using only drugstore product yesterday, and I really enjoyed this one. Apply it on the bridge of the nose, your chin, and your forehead. I noticed that this concealer dries fairly quickly, so you wanna make sure you're blending right away. We're gonna bake using Laura Mercier's translucent powder. Apply it on the bridge of the nose, the chin, basically wherever you applied your concealer, your highlight. And just take a fluffy brush and just swirl the translucent all over your face. Because I want my skin to be nice and glowy and bronzy, I'm gonna be using this Milani bronzer to warm up my face. As you can see, I'm applying the bronzer on top of the hollows of my cheeks because I'm not contouring. I'm just warming up the face. I'm also gonna use that to contour my nose. Before we dust off our translucent powder, I'm gonna be taking this shade and apply this on my waterline. I'm switching my brush. And I'm really dragging this eyeshadow outwards. I'm gonna be taking this brown color again and smoke out my lower lash. Let's add a little bit of this purple. Take a clean blending brush and just blend everything together. I'm adding a little bit of black just on the outer corners of my lower lash. Using Nylon by MAC, I'm gonna pop that on my inner corners. For my blush and highlight, I'm gonna be taking this Justin Sky Iridescent Powder from MAC. I believe this one is a limited edition. And I'm basically just applying this on my cheeks, on top of the bronzer. I'm also gonna use this to connect my eyeshadow and the blush together. Now let's dust off our translucent powder. Let's highlight the nose with the Champagne Pop. I'm gonna keep it more natural on the lips. I'm taking Whirl lip liner and outline my lips. I'm gonna pop this Dose of Colors in the shade Nude Chica. Let's make it more fun, shall we? I'm gonna be using this Sticker Jewel and apply that on my brows. I bought this on Amazon for $12.99 and I think it's appropriate for Coachella. I haven't set my face, guys, because I want to apply this first before applying any wet product on my face. This is actually fairly easy to apply, guys. Just make sure to bring an eyelash duo just in case it comes off. Alright, let's go ahead and set our face. I'm gonna be using the Morphe Setting Mist. Alrighty guys, that's it for our makeup tutorial today. What do you guys think? I think I'm Coachella ready. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. If you guys are recreating this look, make sure to tag me on my social media. I want to see what you guys come up with your outfit and everything. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this type of videos. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit your notification bell. That way you get posted every time I upload. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. I actually thought that that's gonna give a little bit of color, so I'm gonna be taking this purple shade. Oh!